Baking soda changed everything for me. 3 years ago, I was spending hundreds on health products, supplements, and treatments. My digestion was a mess, my energy was low, and I felt stuck. Then I discovered something sitting in my kitchen cabinet all along. One simple white powder that costs less than a coffee. Let me share what happened when I started using baking soda daily, backed by real science. The digestion breakthrough. My stomach issues were brutal. Bloating after every meal, constant discomfort, and that burning feeling that ruined my nights. I tried expensive probiotics and medications. Nothing worked long-term. Then I learned about baking soda's alkaline properties. It works by neutralizing excess stomach acid quickly. The Mayo Clinic confirms this mechanism is effective for occasional heartburn relief. I mixed half a teaspoon in water after meals. Within minutes, the relief came. Not a cure, but genuine improvement. Studies in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology show sodium bicarbonate can buffer gastric acid effectively. But here is the catch. Daily use needs moderation. Too much can disrupt your body's natural balance. I learned this the hard way after using it 3 times daily for a week. The kidney protection discovery. This surprised me most. Research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found something fascinating. Baking soda may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease in some patients. The study followed patients for years. Those who took sodium bicarbonate supplements showed slower decline in kidney function compared to the control group. Doctors believe it helps by reducing acid buildup in the blood. My uncle has stage 3 kidney disease. His nephrologist actually recommended controlled baking soda supplementation as part of his treatment plan. His creatinine levels stabilized over 6 months. Important note, this only works under medical supervision. Never self-treat kidney issues. The dosage matters tremendously, and excess sodium can harm rather than help. The athletic performance edge. I run marathons. My training hit a wall at the 2-hour mark. My muscles would burn, cramp, and quit on me. Other runners mentioned baking soda loading before races. The International Society of Sports Nutrition reviewed multiple studies on this. Sodium bicarbonate can buffer lactic acid buildup during intense exercise. This delays muscle fatigue. I started taking it 1 hour before long runs, 3 grams dissolved in water. The difference was measurable. My lactate threshold improved, and I could push harder for longer. However, about 30% of people experience stomach upset from pre-workout baking soda. Start with smaller doses to test your tolerance. Timing matters too. Take it 60 to 90 minutes before exercise for best absorption. The oral health transformation. My dentist noticed the change before I mentioned anything. Less plaque, healthier gums, and whiter teeth. I had simply started brushing with baking soda paste twice weekly. Research in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry demonstrates that baking soda effectively removes plaque and surface stains. It works through mild abrasion and by creating an alkaline environment that bacteria dislike. I mix it with my regular toothpaste. The texture takes getting used to, but results speak louder than comfort. After 3 months, my dental cleaning took half the usual time. One warning: do not scrub aggressively. Baking soda is abrasive enough to damage enamel if overused. Twice weekly is the sweet spot. Daily brushing should stick with regular fluoride toothpaste. The skincare revelation. Acne scared my confidence for years. Expensive creams, treatments, dermatologist visits. Some helped temporarily. Nothing lasted. Baking soda became my gentle exfoliant. Mixed with water into a paste, applied once weekly. The alkaline nature helps balance skin while the granules remove dead cells. A study in the Indian Journal of Dermatology notes that sodium bicarbonate can help manage certain skin conditions through its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. My skin cleared gradually over 4 months. Not overnight magic, but consistent improvement. The key was patience and not overdoing it. Sensitive skin people should test first. Some individuals react poorly to the alkalinity. Always moisturize after use, as it can be drying. The urinary tract support. Urinary tract infections plagued me twice yearly. The pain, the antibiotics, the recurring cycle. My doctor mentioned something interesting during one visit. Making urine less acidic can create an inhospitable environment for certain bacteria. Baking soda achieves this by alkalizing urine. The British Journal of Urology published research supporting this approach for prevention.